GoDaddy Payments connects seamlessly to your existing GoDaddy product. You can use payments to securely process credit cards, manage your payments, issue refunds, and get access to your funds faster. I'm Darlene, and I'm going to show you the things that you need to do to start using GoDaddy Payments for your website. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to set up GoDaddy Payments on your website, link your bank account, enable the gateway so you can start accepting payments on your website, edit what your customers see during the checkout process. Let's get started with GoDaddy Payments on your website. The starting point is your WooCommerce Settings Payments tab. From the WooCommerce Payments tab, you'll see a list of possible payment methods. Look for the GoDaddy Payments credit card option and click the Setup button. A pop-up displays letting you know that you're about to open GoDaddy Payments account signup and that in a few minutes you'll return here to enable secure payments in your checkout. Click the Setup GoDaddy Payments button to continue. You're now setting up your GoDaddy Payments profile. We'll pull what information we know about you in some of the fields, but you'll have to fill in the rest. And when things look good, click Confirm. Make sure everything looks good one last time and click Confirm again. At this point, we may need some additional information to help us confirm your identity. If this is the case, you'll be asked for one of two things. To verify your phone number, where we'll send you a text with a code to your phone and you'll enter that in the Verify Phone Number field. Or we'll ask you for a photo of a government ID. You'll choose which type of ID you'd like to share and upload the photo. Then we'll capture a current photo using your camera to match it all up. Once you've gone through the additional verification, if it was required, you'll be ready to move on to the next step, linking your bank account. As part of the setup process, you'll see this pop up to link your bank account. This is something you want to do, so you can get paid. If for some reason you don't have your bank logon credentials ready, you can click Not Now and set this up later. We're going to click Add Bank Info. There are two ways to connect to your bank. You can log in with your bank credentials, or you can manually enter the routing and bank account number, which is what I'm going to do. When everything is connected, you'll return to the Payments tab in the settings of your WooCommerce dashboard, and you'll see GoDaddy Payments is connected. Now you're ready to enable the gateway. This is the easiest step of all. Back on the WooCommerce payment screen, you'll see a call to action at the top saying GoDaddy Payments is now connected to your store. Enable the payment method to add it to your checkout. It's as easy as clicking the link in that call to action or flipping the toggle to Enabled in the Payment Method section. The last thing I want to show you is how to edit what your customers see during the checkout process. Back in the Payment Method section, click Manage. The title in checkout and description in checkout are what shows in the cart when your customer is presented with the screen to enter their card number. The transaction type has two options. Capture paid orders, which is what you use if you want the card to be charged at checkout, versus authorization, if you just want the card to authorize and then the charge will happen when the order is processed. The accepted card is all about showing the logos for accepted cards during the checkout process. It's important to note that this only shows or hides logos. The save cards can be enabled for customers who have chosen to create an account and save payment information for future purchases. The detailed decline messages can be checked if you want to show details about why a card is declined during the checkout process. The debug mode can be turned on or off so you can use that during testing of your site. And that's how you set up GoDaddy Payments to accept credit or debit cards on your Managed WordPress WooCommerce site. I'm Darlene, thanks for watching.